Naftali Bennett le Yair Lapid makai na Israel government thak bang chibang hong piang hiya zan hal pathian ni June somle thum sang ila som ni le khatin Israel vai hom na in pin set Israeli government thak pom kip na ni in om hi government thak din kya ga om pen party storm tom ki gom na coalition government sama amale Israel khang thu ading a coalition za pena the in om hi hai government thak pen parties gyat ki gom khom a bol khyak in om hi government thaka parties ko kwatel hiam government thaka parties te hiule Yair Lapid makai yes added there is a future party here ama party in Israel vai hom na in pin set a sit som le sagi ne hi hai government form na ding a sit nei tam pen party in pang u hi ani na ding in Benny Gantz makai ka hol lavan blue and white in sit gyat nei wa party thum na ding in Naftali Bennett makai Yamina Rightward Party in sit sagi nei hi Naftali Bennett pen hai government thaka kingmaker chi in om hi party lina ding in Avigdor Lieberman makai Israel Beitenu Israel our home party in sit sagi ma nei non in angana Mirav Micheli makai Havoda Labor in sit sagi ma nei non hi party gugna Gideon Saar makai Tikya Hadasha New Hope omin amao party in coalition government form nading in sit gugne uhi asagi na a Nitzan Horowitz makai Meretz Vigor party omin amao sit gyat ne uhi atop na a Mansour Abbas makai Arab party Ram United Arab List kichi oma amao sit li ne uhi government thak atarm kim khatsung Yamina Rightward party a pan Naftali Bennett prime minister din mun lending a term kim khatdang yadis yes added there is a future party apan party makai Yair Lapid in prime minister din mun lenin akim khatwa kin kilai ding uhi coalition thak bang chibang a honom khia hiam government thak pen kumni sunga election libe ne ya nunga hong piang khia a hi Israeli president in party lian pen makai tu Benjamin Netanyahu kyanga government thak bolding in the isak nama sapen male Netanyahu in government thak abol khyal solo sakin Yair Lapid kyanga president in the isak na penon a aman Benjamin Netanyahu tello in coalition hon bol khet hi Benjamin Netanyahu in le prime minister din munlen let kip somin nak takin pallama le lo samhi Benjamin Netanyahu ahile Likud party makai tu hiya Israeli nesada ama makai party in sit som thum ne in sit tam ne pen hi na lo ai uhi aman kum som lani sum prime minister hi na analen hi PM Naftali Bennett ideology bang hi yam Bennett ahile June som le thum sang ni le som ni le khat apan in Israel prime minister som le thum na hiding in pom kipin om hi Naftali Bennett ahile Jews far right ahiban a tech millionaire leng hibok hi aman West Bank a Israel intien na inabol te support pya hi aman PM Louis Netanyahu nwaya chief of staff hi na kumni sung sem kha hi while in Bennett in West Bank Settler Council yasha so lo sung amakai in pang hi PM ho hiding Yair Lapid ideology bang hi hiam Lapid a hile kum sang khan chakwa som kwaleli apan evening news programa television encore in pang a kum sang ni la somnani in politics lo thi Lapid a hile centrist ya aman PM Louis Netanyahu nwaya finance minister in panga kum sang ni la somlengai opposition a ke san hi Israeli coalition thak pen far right centrist leftist le Arab party ki gom homa bol khya ka hi man in bang chi bang a akipal lo na te u veng sak a government puksa lo na dia pan hol la zo zel ding u hiam chi bil do vai ma hi